Hi, boys and girls. So in our new math unit, we've been talking a lot about shapes. And when we first started talking about shapes, we used some math words to describe our shapes. Words like sides and corners and shapes with a curve and shapes without a curve. Believe it or not, those are math words, and you were using them. Yesterday, we started talking about a particular shape out of all the shapes. And we're going to continue to talk about that shape a little bit more today. So I'm going to put a shape on the board here. And I'm going to show you, and I want you to tell me what you notice about the shape. Okay? Let's take a look at this shape. What do you notice about this shape? Tell me. What can you tell me about the shape? That's right, the shape has 3 sides. What else can you tell me about the shape? That's right, the shape has 3 corners. Do you know what we call this shape? You're right. We call this shape a triangle. So let me put that right here on the top. Triangle. I'm going to put another shape on the board here. Let's take a look at this shape. What can you tell me about that shape? This shape also has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. What else? Tell me more about the shape. What do you notice? You're right. It also has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. This shape is also called a triangle. Even though it looks different than this triangle, they are both called triangles. So in order for a shape to be a triangle, it has to have 3 straight sides and 3 corners. Let's take a look at this one. What do you think about this shape right here? Well, it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So it must be a triangle, right? What do you think? Do you think this one's a triangle? Oh, I couldn't fool you. This one is not a triangle because it has an open side. See the side down here where the line is open? That is why it is not a triangle. Think about it. If we had a little animal inside here, would that animal be able to get out? Yeah, it sure would. It would run right out of that hole. A triangle cannot have an open side, so this is not a triangle. These triangles have 3 sides that are made of straight, closed lines, and they have 3 corners. So let's think about what makes a shape a triangle. It has to have 3 straight sides that are closed, and it has to have 3 corners. So let's see if you can tell me which shapes are triangles and which shapes are not. All right. Is this shape a triangle? It sure is. It has 3 sides made of straight, closed lines, and it has 3 corners. Let's try another one. Is this shape a triangle? What do you think? You're right. It is a triangle. It has 3 sides made of straight, closed lines, and it also has 3 corners. Let's do another one. Look at this one. Do you think this one's a triangle? You're right. It's not a triangle. Why is this not a triangle? Tell me why. That's right, because the side at the top is an open line, and we know triangles cannot have open lines. That was some good work, friends. So let's say one more time, what makes a shape a triangle? It has to have, ready, say with me, a triangle has, you say it, 3 sides of straight closed lines and 3 corners. You say it. All right, friends. Later on, when you're doing your math page, remember what we just learned about a triangle. A triangle cannot have open sides. All right, bye-bye.